Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics questions for the student who is preparing for the Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya exam. Let's start, and before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Question number 1. Weight of necklace is 25 gram 35 milligram. Weight of a bangle is 15 gram 5 milligram, and weight of a ring is 10 gram 450 milligram. Total weight of jewelry is. First we write the weight of every item, after that we add it. So question number 1, necklace weight is 25 gram 35 milligram, that is we write it this way, 35 mg. 15 gram 5 milligram, that is we write it in this way, and 10 gram 450 milligram, we add with 0 4 that is 50 gram 490 milligram, we write it as a 50.49 gram. So A is the right answer. Question number 2. The given pictograph showing the selling of orange in 4 days by certain store. Monday 1 2 3 4 5, Tuesday 1 2 3, Wednesday 1 2 3 4 5 6, and Thursday 1 2 3 4. That is, if we calculate all, here the question is total selling of potatoes in 4 days in kilogram are Monday 5, Tuesday 3, Wednesday 6, 4, that is 10, 18. So one picture shows 50 kilogram, so total is 18 picture over there, so 18 into 50, that is 900 kilogram. So B is the right answer. Question number 3. Using a digit only once from the digit 6 4 2 1 and 0, the smallest number of 5 digit will be. So we have to write smallest number. So first we write smallest number, that is 1. 0 we cannot write first, because when we write 0 first it become 4 digits. So 1, after that 0, after that 2, 4, 6. So D is the right answer. Question number 4. The difference between the greatest number and smallest number of 5 digit is. So number 4. First we write 5 digit greatest number, that is 99999. After that 5 digit smallest number, and subtract these two, we get 99998. So D is the right answer. Question number 5. The ACF of 360, 180 and 152 is. Simply we calculate ACF like this way. Question number 5. 180 we divide 252, that is 180, that is 272, 180, 144, that is 6 3 2. After that we divide 360 by 36. So A shape is 36. Here A is the right answer. Coming to the next question. Question number 6. 3 bell ring respectively at an interval of 12 minutes, 15 minutes and 18 minutes. They rang together at 10:30 in the morning. At what time will they ring together again? First we calculate LCM of these three number. So we write question number 6, 12, 15, 18, 2, 6, 15, 9, 3, 2, 5, 3. So answer is 2 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 3, that is 180 minutes. That is, we convert it into hour, it's become 180, we divided by 60, it's become 3 hour. So after 3 hour all the bell ring together. So 10:30 plus 3 hour, that is 30. So it's rang together at 1:30 p.m. So C is the right answer. Sum of two number is 1,25,600. If one number is less than the other number by 14,400, the value of the small number is. First we subtract it from this number. After that we divide the result by 2. We get the result. So question number 7, 125600004410021. We divide this number by 2, we get the resulting number. So 2, 10, 1, 1, 10, 1, 2, that is 6, 2 0 coming here. So answer is 55,600. So C is the right answer. 8. The value of 150 into 0 into 4 into 5 plus 800 is. First 0 we multiplied with 150, we get 0. After that 0 we multiplied with 5, we get 0. 0 we multiplied with 4, we get 0, and 0 we add with 800 is become 800. So D is the right answer. 9. The value of 68% of 320 is. So question number 9, 68% of 320, that is 68 into 320 by 100. If we multiply both, we get 68, 32. So 2176 by 10, that is 217.6. So C is the right answer. Question number 10. What will be the cost price of shirt whose selling price is 20 500 at the profit of 25%. So let cost price be 100, then selling price be 125. So CP equal to into 100 by 125. From formula we get 5. This is 2000. So answer is 2000. We calculate it in unitary method like that. CP 100, then SP equal to 125, or we write it in reverse way. If SP 125, then CP equal to 100. If SP 1, then CP equal to 100 by 125. If SP 500, then CP equal to 100 into 2500 by 125, 520, that is 2000. So C is the right answer. Thank you for watching.